Cooking my own beef broth for my pa. I'm gonna try to cook a homemade pho. And it tastes really good. Some butter beans, so this is a special stock that they put in the broth. Exciting! Beef bones. Let's wait for another hour, let it boil. Then put the chicken. For my pa. Let's see. Beef tripe, beef meatballs, bean sprout, baby spinach, and string onion. Mmm. Yum. This is something.
Are you seeing David?
Yeah.
Oh.
Then where is yours?
Huh?
This is mine.
That's mine. Put it directly on the beef.
He's mine or girlfriend.
Ooh.
See, I told you, the beef's cooked. Give me mine.